Hey, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever sat down at your desk and felt a subtle frustration, like your machine is almost there but keeps holding you back? That's exactly where this begins, with the Alienware Aurora. This is for the kind of person who doesn't settle for pretty good. You're the one who feels a frame drop before anyone else notices it. You feel lag before others hear the fan ramp up. You've been pushing hardware to its limits for long enough that you know when something isn't living up to what you do every day. Before you go any further, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Desktops with this level of performance don't stay where you saw them for long, and hesitation usually turns into a regret later. There's a moment you will recognize immediately when you flip the switch on this machine. You boot up a demanding title or load multiple heavy tasks and expect that old hesitation, the little stutters you've learned to work around. Then, it doesn't happen. It just runs, clean, stable, effortless. That's the instant you feel the difference, the shift from working around hardware to working with it. Once you leave behind older systems that cough under pressure, the relief is tangible. You stop worrying about settings. You stop closing background apps. You stop planning your day around whether your rig can handle it. You just sit down and do. You feel it in long marathon gaming sessions where nothing dips or stutters. You feel it when rendering massive workloads and everything finishes ahead of schedule. You feel it in multitasking where every app feels responsive instead of fighting for attention. Even everyday use feels calmer when your system isn't constantly gasping for breath. This isn't about chasing specs for their own sake. It's about how smooth it feels. You notice the responsiveness more than the numbers, because everything just keeps up with you instead of forcing you to adapt to it. If you're even halfway considering this build, don't wait for stock swings or random price jumps. These high-end systems tend to disappear quietly, and indecision usually ends in "I should have acted sooner." You might hesitate because it feels like a jump, like this is more than you think you need. That hesitation usually comes from years of adapting to compromises. Here, that extra power turns into confidence, longevity, and freedom from upgrading again too soon. The surprise benefit shows up after a few weeks. You stop thinking about the machine at all. You don't obsess over updates or future releases. You use it because it just works, predictably and powerfully. Owning something built at this caliber gives you a kind of quiet pride. It feels intentional. It feels capable. It feels like you finally matched your machine to your ambition. Games feel locked and fluid, loads finish faster than expected, everything stays responsive under load, feels built to handle whatever comes, your setup finally feels settled, not exactly a lightweight tower. Premium power means premium price eventually, the comparison loop just ends. You stop juggling options and realize you keep circling back to the one that actually fits how you work and play. Don't let this be the upgrade you almost made and still think about months down the line. If this aligns with how seriously you push your system every single day, make the move now and enjoy the difference from the moment you sit down.